if any, will come up on the same day, that is 27. 28, discussion on motion of thanks to the governor, and then presentation and discussion and voting on supplementary grants for 2021. Introduction, consideration and passing of Goa Appropriation Bill 2021 relating to supplementary demands again for grants for the year 2021. Then of course government bills if any.
Okay.
Now on 29th we have the private members business day. Discussion and voting. I am voting on motion of thanks to the governor's address. This also is there, and government bills if any. But we have decided very consciously that most of the time will be given to private members, because Friday is a private members day. Government will try not to transact any government business on that day. That has been the essence. Whole idea is not to curtail time being given to the opposition, time being given to honorable members of the House, so that there is sufficient opportunity for everyone to discuss all issues in the House. It is not the intention of the government to curtail discussion, hide certain issues, or not to answer certain things. Because of pandemic, it is a 1 week session. So that is how it is.
क्वेश्चनावर 3 दिवस असतले.
Why?
Out of 4
Question?
days.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.